Hello friends, this is tutorial number 97 in this Java programming language tutorials. Okay, it will be one bonus lecture. One of my students asked me to do this tutorial, and I want to send the greetings to Lisa, and I will make this tutorial. Okay, for her, but also you can learn from this tutorial a lot. It will be very useful to you. Okay, in this tutorial we will calculate the area of couple of elements. It will be a triangle, a circle, a square, and rectangle. And okay, it will be this is an Eclipse. I have this simple test created, a simple test project, and I will create a package. Okay, package can be PA2. You can type name of the package, whatever you want. And I need a class. The name of the class, okay, will be area calculation. Okay, with main method. And now we need, okay, we will need couple of variables, but we will input this we will need to use scanner in okay in this tutorial. Scanner input equals to new scanner system dot in. Okay, it will be good. Okay, and we need to import scanner. We will use Control Shift and O. Okay, it will be good. Okay, this my Eclipse, it can go a little to the right. Okay, or maybe okay, now it will be better. Now I need a couple of variables. Okay, what we will use, we need, okay, first we will have couple of doubles and couple of integers. Let's type the doubles. Okay, we will calculate the triangle will be double. Okay, and we will use triangle base, triangle height. And okay, double will be circle radius. Radius will be a double. Okay, that's good. And we need a couple of integers. Integers will be we will use a square side, and we will need rectangle. We will use rectangle width and length. Okay, but I will just use rectangle width. Okay, okay, it's good. And rectangle length. Okay, okay, and we will use one okay, it will be good for now. If I need couple more variables, but I will need because of the circle radius, I will need a p number, and we will use p as a constant here outside the main. We need a couple of space, and we will use a private static final, and it will be double, and we will call it p, and will be equal to for p you can use math.p. okay, it should be fine. This will be our p number, and now we will need to input all of this variable, and let's start. First we need system out print line. Okay, enter triangle base and height separated by space. Okay, separated by space. Okay, you remember from previous tutorials where I really hope that you remember when we separated strings, and we cannot separate double. We need to use a string, and we will use a string, and we will give name of triangle will be equals to input dot next line. That's the catch. Okay, and let's continue. We can use couple of stars to separate this. Okay, let's see, couple of stars. And now what we will type, system out print line, and we will type enter circle radius. Okay, it will be just that. Okay, and we will input the name of the variable circle radius equals to input dot next double. Okay, this one was pretty much easy. Okay, couple of stars should be good, and okay, that should be fine. And let's continue. Now what we need. Okay, we have a triangle base, high, circle radius. Okay, we need now a square side. Okay, enter a square side, and it is an integer. Okay, variable. We have a variable square side will be equals to input dot next int. Pretty much easy. And a couple, important thing. We will need also. We will have. Okay, but I will stay. I will just type couple of stars. I will explain you just a moment. There is one important thing, and just a second. Okay, and we have left enter rectangle width and length. Also will be separated by space. Okay, and okay, we will have a string. We have a string of rectangle will be equals to input dot next line. We need to use a string at this moment. Okay, but if we will enter this is normal, but when it comes to we enter rectangle, because we have a double and integer here. Now if we will entering the string, the program will crash, and after the square here, we will just use input next line to prevent just a moment. Input just next line. Okay, here it is. And if we don't use this input next line, the program will crash, and this is pretty important stuff. Okay, and now what we need to do. We don't have a couple of things. Okay, we can type the variables. We can type them here. We will need okay, or we can calculate later. It doesn't matter. We need areas, variable for areas of all four elements. But now it's more important thing. I hope that you remember of my lections about separating the strings. we need to do it now. And let's start. Okay, first we need string, another string, new string, but needs to be an array. And the name will be, we have triangle string. And we will call the name triangle str as a string. Okay, but just need to have a different name. Will be equals to triangle dot split. Okay, it will be split, and it will have regex will be the space. Okay, simple one. We will separate. We need to. Okay, we will enter a text. Okay, as you know, we can also input numbers as a text. We will enter the base, and we will press the space, and we will enter the height. Okay, and this will be the solution, but it also will give us a string. And now we need a triangle base, but it will be new string triangle base, but cannot have that name. Will be str as a string, will be equals, because now this string triangle str is separate string of triangle, and we have two parts, and it will be triangle str of, it will be, we just have two elements, element of 0. Okay, and we need, but I have one error here. I need to see what is the error. Okay, just a second, just a moment. Okay, I have a string of triangle. Okay, I have equals here. I don't know why I put equals. Okay, now just a second. Okay, we need a string, and it will be triangle. Okay, base and height. Okay, height, but will be str because it is a string, and it will be triangle str. Here it is, and it will be first element. Okay, element 0 and element 1. Okay, now we have triangle base str and triangle height str. We have these values, but they are strings. And now to calculate, okay, we need now triangle base, simple triangle base as a double will be equals, and it will be double. We will just create convert string to a double, and it will be value of string, which is triangle base str. Okay, and don't forget the double value. Okay, and the triangle base is resolved. Okay, now we need triangle high, just a second, and it will be equals to a double, and it will be value of string, and it will be triangle height str, and we have a double value. Okay, and we resolved these two variables, triangle base and triangle height. Now we need to do the same thing for the rectangle. We need a rectangle str will be a string of rectangle, and split split by the space. Okay, the same thing. And now we will need another string. Okay, string, it will be just a moment, a rectangle. We have okay, we have a rectangle width. It is rect width variable, but needs to be str because this is a string. It's a rectangle string. Okay, element of 0. Okay, and we need another string, and it will be rect length. Okay, but it will be also str because it's a string. It will be rectangle string first element. Okay, okay, just a moment, rectangle string, okay, first element. Okay, this is resolved, and now we just need our variables. Variables rect width will be equals to an integer, because this is integers, and it will be value of string, and the string will be rect width str. Here it is. Okay, we will just convert this this string to a double, and we will do also for the rect length. Here it is, an integer, and will be equals to integer dot value of, and it will be a rect just a moment, value of, but where is, okay, I will see, I can type manually, but it will be value of string. Okay, here it is, a rect length str. Okay, now we have all of the variables that we need. Now we will need to calculate the area. Okay, we can create variables here. Okay, we will have a double, another double. It will be circle area and triangle area. It will be doubles. And okay, we can also have we will also have integer, and it will be square area and rectangle area. Okay, that's enough. Okay, and now let's calculate this. Okay, first we need to calculate triangle area. Let's calculate triangle area. It will be, okay, we have a formula. Okay, we have triangle base multiplied with triangle height. Okay, but we will put this into these brackets, and we will divide with 2. Okay, this should be good. And now let's calculate the circle area. Circle area, okay, equals, and we need a p number. We have this constant p. I hope that you didn't forget. P, it will be multiplied with a circle radius. Okay, we input the circular radius, and multiplied another time with circle radius. Okay, and this should be good. And to calculate the square area, it will be pretty much easy. Square area, okay, we can use a square side multiplied with square side, but to look more pretty, okay, we will use math dot pow. Okay, here it is. We already used that, you remember. And we need a square side, and because it is 2, it will give us a square. Okay, and it is a square side multiplied with square side. Okay, and we have left to calculate rectangle area. Okay, it is also an integer, and it will be easy. We need rectangle width multiplied with rectangle length. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, we now calculate all of these areas that we need. Okay, what's with square? Well, let me see. Type mismatch, cannot convert from double to int. Okay, are you sure? We will use this bracket, and we will type int, and now it is possible. Okay, now we need a text. Okay, my knowledge of English, I like very much to write. Okay, but I will learn. Okay, now let's write something. Okay, okay, I will see. System out print line. Okay, and let's calculate the area of triangle with base of and we need a plus triangle base. Okay, here it is. But okay, we need to use we will use just print because we will continue in the next line. And let's system out print line. Okay, we need to continue the area of triangle with base of. Okay, and we need the text, a little space, and height of and we need a plus triangle high. Okay, and we need another text is. Okay, and plus okay, it will be triangle area. Okay. Okay, this should be enough in 2 lines. Okay, now I need a little of space. Okay, and now let's write from the circle. Okay, the area of circle with radius of. And now I will need, but just a second, I need a radius, circle radius. Okay, and now I will need a new line, and here I will delete. It will just stay system out print, and we will continue in the same line. System out print line. Okay, and we need is. Okay, and I need plus, and it will be okay, it will be circle area. Okay, here it is, and it's resolved. Let's continue. Okay, now let's write system out print line, and we need to write for the area of square. The area of square, okay, with side of and it will be square side, but I need a plus square side. Okay, and I will continue in the new line, and it will be. Okay, I need to first I need to delete this print, and it because we will continue in the same line, and we just need to type is, and I need a plus, and I will need okay, a square area. Okay, too much work. Okay, and now we just need to write, okay, system out print line, and we will just need the text, the area of rectangle with width of, and we need plus okay, a rect width variable. Okay, and we will continue in the new line. Okay, this line ln we will delete, and we will need, okay, now, and we need width of and length of, and I now we need variable rect length. Okay, and plus, okay, and text is, and we will need plus and just a rectangle area, and okay, this should be fine. And okay, we will need okay, we will just here we will write just a little of we will write system out print line. Okay, okay, my okay, it can be a simple text. Okay, my area calculation program. Okay, okay, and it is better to we use a couple of stars here. System out print line, let's use a couple of stars, and just one, just a little. Okay, okay, I now think that should be fine, and let me just copy this. Let me just copy this, just to be more. Just a second, I will copy. Oh, I will copy and I will paste it right here down. Okay, and also I will need just a little. Okay, just a little space. Okay, we will let's just save now, and we will see how it will work, and we will repair these stars later. But first we need to see how this program will work. Enter triangle base and height with separated by space. Okay, 6.4 and 2.9. Okay, they are separated by the space. Okay, and enter. Circle radius will be 5.5. Okay, and I can just move this a little. Okay, let's enter. Square side will be 8, and rectangle, okay, will be 6 and 7. They also need to be separated by the space, and let's type enter. Okay, my area calculation program. Okay, we need, okay, okay, I will just repair this a little. Okay, we have this, okay, my area calculation program. Okay, okay, and it needs to be, we will need just one system out print line, and okay, now it will be good, and we will need, okay, we could have just a couple more stars. Let's use a line. Okay, we deleted the line. Let's copy this, and we will paste it in the new line. Okay, and we will use, maybe it is better to use, okay, we can just use once more for the new line. For the new line, we will just use like this. Okay, now it should be good, and okay, we will use the same thing we can use here. Okay, let me just copy this, and okay, I don't need another space. Okay, this one, I think that it will not need me, and let's okay, we just want to do this look a little more prettier. Okay, let's see, enter the triangle and height separated by the space. It will be okay, it will be okay, 7.8, my mistake, and okay, but okay, we will see how it will work. I didn't separate by the space. Okay, 4 and 5, and okay, we have exception because I didn't you need to take care. Okay, 5.6 and 6.7. okay, I used two spaces, but it doesn't matter. And we have a circle radius. I will need a couple more stars there. Okay, it can be 8, and square side will be 3, and this will be 5 and 9. Okay, and let me see. Just a second. Where is the error? We have an error now. I will see where is the problem. Okay, enter rectangle. Okay, I use, but just a moment. I will try again. Enter triangle base and height. Okay, it will be 6. Just a moment. 6.4 and 5.5. Okay. Enter circle radius 5.9. Enter square side will be 6, and rectangle and the length separated by the space 11 and 10, and we will get, okay, I don't know where was the error, but as you can see, but this one is not good. Okay, this looks better, but I forgot just a moment. Here I need to use okay. It will be I forgot to delete this line, and I could use for example 3 more stars. 3, and here 3 more stars. Okay, and upstairs we also can use 3 more stars, and here will be 3 more stars. And where I will need more stars here. Okay, I can use couple more stars here. Okay, and the beginning. Let's just, okay, to look more prettier, nothing special. Okay, and couple more here. Okay, to be in the line. Okay, rectangle, and with rectangle we also can use copy, and we will just paste it. Okay, now it will be prettier, and let's okay, Control Shift and F to okay, and let's save this. Control and S, and let's run our program. Okay, but we can forget, we need to enter separated by the space 6.4 space 6.1. okay, because if we don't separate with space we will have an error. Okay, enter. Circle radius will be 8.9. okay, and let's enter. Square side will be 6. okay, and rectangle will be, okay, 10 and 15. okay. As you can see, now what we will have here, the area of triangle with base. Okay, and okay, 6.1 is 6.4 and 6.1 is 1952. The area of circle with radius of 8.9 is 248. Okay, we have this big number. The area of the square or side is 36, and the area of rectangle with width of 10 and length of 15 is 150. But only thing that I want, okay, just a second. Okay, here one, here. Okay, I will just copy this, and I will paste it here. Okay, it would be better. I will paste, and I will just need a new line, system out print line, and I will need just this. Okay, it should be good, and let's copy this, and let's delete this one, and let's paste it. Okay, it will be more better. Okay, and let's delete this one. And let's paste this one. Should be more pretty. And here also I will delete. Okay, and let's paste it. Okay, this will be now. It will be good, and we can try to resolve this another time. Once more. Okay, we save it, Control Shift and F, and save again. Okay, and now we will just run this to see how it will work. Okay, let's play triangle, and okay, 3.75 and 2.25. okay, need to be separated by the space. Okay, enter circle radius 6.8. okay, enter once again, square side will be 5, and enter rectangle width and length is 11 and 24. Okay, let's enter. Okay, and here is the my area calculation program. Okay, it will be the area of triangle with base of 3.75 and height of 2.25 is 4.21. okay, 4.21, okay, 22, whatever you want. The area of circle with radius of 6.8 is 145 point, I don't know this number, but it works properly. And the area of square with side of 5 is 25, works perfectly fine. And the area of rectangle with width of 11 and the length of 24 is 264. okay, this, okay, 240 is with 10, multiplied with 10, and more 24, 264, works like a charm. Okay, I really hope this will be very useful to you. Okay, now just a moment, I will, okay, I will put it back now. Okay, to see more this application. Okay, it was not too much complicated, just a little of calculation, and because of these spaces, and when your application, you work with your application, you need to take care about this space. Don't forget, because if you don't separate two numbers with space, your application will not work. Okay, if you don't want to do like this, you can just input doubles. You can input two doubles. It's easier. But if your professors are asking to do in this way, okay, now you know how to do it. Okay, I really hope that you like this video, and if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, that's an order. Okay, and you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You have a link in the description, and I will see you in the next tutorial.